Hi, Tucker man. Can you do a push-up?
Hi.
Can you do a push-up? Here we go. Hold that head up.
Let's see
Oh.
you.
Ooh. Tucker. Tucker.
He's comfy right now.
Oh, no, he's going to go to sleep. Tucker, you do a push-up. Show everybody. Tucker.
We're usually not this calm, are we?
There we go. Here, get something red and drag it in front of you. Tucker, I'm over here.
What's this?
Here he goes.
What's this red?
You're not paying attention. Is his arm under him good enough? Yeah.
Yeah. He's just relaxing.
You better do a push-up. Here he goes. He's getting ready. Talk to him over there.
Tucker.
You better look at Mama.
Tucker.
You better look at Mama.
Tucker. You better come here. You
Look at
better
Mama,
come
Tucker.
here.
Here he goes.
You better come here.
He wants to.
You better come here. Oh, his back's wet, Billy.
How do you do that?
Yeah.
There he is.
Hi, Mr.
Hey.
Hi, baby. Good job.
He didn't hold his head up very long.
I know. Good job.
Hi, Tucker. Hi, Tucker.
He's way too relaxed right now for this.
He's gonna go to sleep. Right, here he goes. Come over here.
Here, let me go on the other side.
Go look at Mama.
Tucker. Tucker. Come here. Come here. Come
Here he
here.
goes.
Come here, baby.
There he goes.
Come here.
You hear Mama?
Hey,
Look
come
at
here.
Mama.
Come here.
Hey, buddy.
Come here.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, he's so tired right now. Come here.
You can do better than that, Tucker.
You always do this real good.
See, I'm not a dog, Mama.
Tucker.
Where's your Mama, Tucker?
Hey, come here. Come here, little boy. Come over here. Psst. Psst. Come here.
He's just hanging out.
He's way relaxed. How did your back get wet? Did you pee-pee?